Today, I'll be traveling solo to girls dating. I got myself a bowl of. Look at this, guys. It's a place right that I'm extending over 1,000 over 7. I'm actually asking around locals for the best hidden gem for a comfortable corner seat. And this round, there's a twist to it. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be traveling solo hunting for food. My bros had absolutely ditched me to go out with girls dating. No worries, I'm used to it. So let's go out and grab some food for ourselves. Let's settle first for our lunch. This is a shop that I came across as I was strolling out. And look at the crowd there. I absolutely know that I must go for these stalls because after all, with this massive crowd, that's fire food, right? So I got myself a bowl of absolutely fatty pork leg rice. Look at this incredible portion size. It's really huge, like a mini mountain. And there's also a plate of side meats. To execute this properly, you definitely must flood this whole plate with lots of chili oil. So then get ready to dig in. Make sure to mix everything well and it will taste absolutely great. This is definitely the reason why everybody loves pork leg rice. Fatty collagens on the skin, dissolved completely with the white rice is a great combination. Don't forget to try out their side meat also. These meat are also pretty savory. But I really love this crispy fried pork. You just need to add it on with the white rice and you will get a crispy bite. Let's go for it. I would say that anything fatty that goes with rice is just perfect. It just blends in wonderfully. So I'm gonna finish up the meal, grab myself some coffee and chill away my afternoon. Look at this, guys. It's a cool coffee spot with lots of unique brew. All the coffee beans here have some flavor inside. This coffee is what I'll be sipping on while I research for my next spot for dinner. I'm back here and this time is for dinner. Watch me as I'm entering this ancient city. It's called Nantou in Chinese, and it's a place right that I'm extending over 1,000 over 700 years already. You can say that this entire place that we are walking on, even the bricks right now, is totally a living museum since ancient times. Well, they have actually restored it beautifully. Now it's packed with lots of food, vibe and histories. As while I'm walking along these streets, it feels like time travel. But what interests me more is definitely all this insane food that's all around the streets. There's so many food, so many drinks, and so many people using all these crowds. You can actually notice where is the best food ever. And as I'm walking, I'm actually asking around locals for the best hidden gems. And they have actually sent me deep into this alley. Keep watching me because I'm gonna go in to this place that's great for a local bite. It's totally like a mini maze here. You might get lost, but I finally found this shop. It might not look much from the outside, but on the inside, it's all about the food, right? I go for a comfortable corner seat and let's eat. Look at this, guys. So much food here. We'll be having some Japanese teppanyaki stout, and look at all this meat. It's really beautifully colored. The chef is standing right in front of me and he's cooking and searing everything live on a screaming hot pot. The mushroom, the vegetables, all these are just some starters to get the pot warmed. Next up is this beautifully colored wagyu. It looks absolutely magnificent on the hot plate. The chef have made sure that this is cooked just to the medium side before we start to taste it. Not too old, I love my meat much on the rawer side. Moving on, look at how beautiful it is meat. Let's take a bite. Next up, I'm mixing a raw egg yolk as my sauce base. You know, that's how the Japanese do it. I'll be using it as a dip, putting all the beef, the wagyu beef into it, and it will taste so good because the yolk gives it a very silky, smooth texture to it. Are you ready, guys, for the next wave of meat? There's so much meat to be cooked, and this is another round of wagyu. This round, there's a twist to it. The chef is adding some sweet sauce in it, so it will have another unique taste. Another wave of vegetables and meat. Everything is so great because the ingredient is so fresh. They taste naturally sweet from the vegetables and all the mushrooms. And here, the meat are definitely the main course, but there's something hidden brewing. It's the mushroom, and you guess it correctly. The mushroom are actually soaking up all the meaty juice or the fats, and later on it will turn into a flavor bomb. Here it is, guys, the enoki mushrooms. It has been deep right into the sauce, and let's go for it. Of course, don't forget to put all the wagyu in, let it soak up all the egg yolk, and it's still a great bite. We finished the round with all the local vegetables. It's really great, like taste, its sweetness. I would say that eating alone is kind of like on fire when you know all the right spots. You don't need to wait for anyone, just pure food, pure vibe. The adventure in China continues. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel content and vibe.